Welcome to Model Lessons in Mathematics, Elementary Science and Technology, Social Studies, Creative Arts, Physical Education for lower primary grades, produced by Rwanda Education Board in collaboration with the World Bank.
Hello children, my name is Elisah. Once again, today we are learning science. Our topic today is electricity. Our topic today is electricity. And specifically we are looking at the electrical equipment. So when we talk about electrical equipment, we are meaning the things that use electricity or things that need electricity to work. That is the meaning of electrical equipment. This electrical equipment can also be known as electrical devices or electronic devices. Electronic devices. A device is any material, any item that can be used to do some specific work. So when we talk about electronic devices, we are talking about these devices or these items, materials or things that we use and they need electricity as a source of energy. So that is what we mean by electronic devices. So I want us to remind ourselves about the uses of electricity. How does man use electricity? In the previous lesson, we talked about these uses of electricity. So let's remind ourselves about those uses of electricity. One, we said that electricity can be used in cooking. Electricity can be used in cooking. What does that one mean? It means that for you to cook, there is a device, there is an equipment, there is a material, an item you use that needs electricity. Number two, we said that this electricity can also be used to dry clean clothes. With dry cleaning, we are talking about using a machine when you are washing clothes. Okay? So that is number two. Three, we said that this electricity can also be used in ironing clothes. Ironing clothes. What do we mean? It means that we need an item that uses electricity for us to iron clothes. We also said that we need electricity to charge phones or telephones, charging torches. There are torches which need to be charged using electricity, charging computers, and so on and so forth. So that is another use of electricity. We need electricity also to shave our hair. So by shaving the hair, we also need an item to do that, an item to shave the hair that uses electricity. So that's a brief reminder of what we talked about in the previous lesson. So today we are looking at these materials. What are these materials that do use electricity in order for them to work? So I have some materials here with me. I want us to identify them. I have this material here, or this item here. So this item uses electricity. This item uses electricity. I want us to name them later. So just see and be thinking about its name. Thank you. We also have this item here. This is an item that uses electricity also. So look at it. We shall name it later and we shall see how to use it, okay? Or how it uses electricity and for what purpose. Good. We also have this item here. I think you know this item. So we shall be able to name it later and we see how it needs electricity for it to function or to work. Yes. We also have this item here. It's a bit heavy. Let's keep it here. So I think you are able to see and identify it. So now we want to name these items together. So according to what we have seen, or the items we have seen, let's name them one at a go. So can we name these items? 1, 2, 3, 4, and others. Let's begin with this item here. Who can tell me the name of this material or this item or this device? Yes? Okay, this is a computer. This is a computer. Or we can simply call it a laptop. We can simply call it a laptop. This is a laptop. It uses electricity. It has a battery down here. It has a battery down here. And you need to charge it for it to function. And its charger is here. This is the charger. This is the charger of this laptop. So you pin it here. It has where to put the charger here. And this is what you put in the socket. So when you put it in the socket, automatically the laptop will start charging. That is one. So we say we have a laptop. Or we can call it a computer. We can call it a computer. 2. Let's name this item here. What is this item called? Yes? Yeah. This is a flat iron. This is a flat iron. What is its importance? Or what is its use? Okay? Yeah. This is the item that is used for ironing clothes. Ironing clothes. You know the reasons why we iron clothes. Scientifically, we iron clothes to kill the germs that may be hiding in the clothes and also look smart. Don't you like that, to be smart? Yeah, okay. So we use this flat iron to iron clothes. And it's an item, it's a material, it's an equipment that uses electricity. This is what you plug into the socket and you start ironing. Thank you. Hope you are following very well. Yeah, I have this small item here. This one is a phone. This one is a phone, or simply you can call it a telephone, a mobile telephone. Mobile meaning you can move with it from place to place. You can simply move with this mobile telephone from one place to another. There are other telephones which are put on the table. They keep there. You don't move with them. But this one is a mobile telephone. So it also uses electricity. You have to charge it. You have to charge it. This is its charger here. This is the charger of this telephone. So you have to put it in here and you plug into the source of electricity. That is the socket, right? Yes. Let's name this big item here. Who can tell me the name of this item? Yes? Okay. This is a TV screen. This is a TV screen. A TV screen. TV, it's an abbreviation, capital T, capital V. TV in a full is television, TV screen. From your English, you know what TV is. TV, this, in full it is television. Television. So when I say TV screen, I mean television screen. So this item is, we normally use this item at home to see pictures, watch news. I know most of you have these items at home, and I know that we cannot use this television without plugging it into electricity. When we don't have electricity, you can't use this machine or this TV screen. Of course, we never named the telephone. Let's write this telephone. Telephone. We never named the flat iron. Flat iron for ironing. There are very many electrical equipment, very many, variety at home. You know very many. We have others. For example, if we visit our chart here, this chart here is showing some of the examples of electronic devices that I was not able to carry to this place. So here you can see there is a computer. This is a computer. I know most of you have seen this. This is a desktop. From your ICT knowledge, you can tell what this one is. So it also needs electricity to work. You can't operate a computer without electricity. Number two, here we have a shaving machine. I remember telling you that we use electricity for shaving. So this is a picture of a shaving machine. These are very common these days. They are very, very common. We also have a radio. This is a radio. You know what the use of a radio? We use a radio to listen to news, listen to music, or play music. So this is a radio. It also needs electricity to operate or to function. So we can name other materials or other equipment that use electricity. So can we name them together, apart from what we have seen from the pictures and what we have seen here live on the real materials here? So you can tell me. One, yes, you have an electrical heater. Electrical heater. Electrical heater. Yes, what does this one do? The electrical heater. An electrical heater is basically used to heat water. When you want to boil water using electricity, we use what we call an electrical heater. Thank you. Tell me another one. What else? Okay? We also have what we call an electrical cooker. Electrical or electric cooker. Most people who cook using electricity use what we call an electrical cooker. There are very many homes which use electrical cooker in cooking their food. What else can we use? Or what other material that use electricity when we are at home or even here at school? So we also have what we call electrical microwave. Electrical microwave. Microwave. This one also helps to warm food. For example, if you have cooked your food, it has spent some time and it has gotten cold. So you use a microwave to heat it up, and you are able to eat hot food. So I want us to roll through what we have learned today. First of all, we saw the uses of electricity, whereby we said it is used for cooking food, for lighting rooms like this one here. Can be used for lighting, ironing clothes, charging phones, torches, shaving hair, and so on. And we have seen the materials that use electricity, where we have the TV screen, we've got a laptop or a computer, we've got a telephone, we've got a flat iron. Remember the names very well. We've got, from our pictures we have seen, we have the computer. We've got the shaving machine. It also uses electricity. And a radio. Those are the materials we have seen today. And I have some questions, simple questions for you to answer. Yes, from what we have studied. So if I ask you, can you tell me what do we mean by electrical equipment? What do we mean by electrical equipment? Yes? Yeah. Electrical equipment are the things that use electricity. Things that use electricity or things that need electricity to work are known as electrical equipment. What other name do we give these electrical equipment? What other name can we give to these electrical equipment? Yes, tell me. Okay. So electrical equipment can also be called electronic devices. Electronic devices. So I explained what a device is. You already know that. So can you list any 4 materials or 4 items at home, at your home, that use electricity? Any 4 materials at your home that use electricity? Okay, tell me. 1? Yes, you have a radio. Thank you. Who else? Yes, a television. Yeah, they have a television at home and it uses electricity. Thank you. Yes, what else? A flat iron. Thank you so much. A flat iron also uses electricity. What else? The 4th, which is the last, of course. Yes, she's saying that they also have a computer at home. Thank you so much for those responses. So at this moment, I want us to have some simple work, take-home work, of course. It's already here for you. Very simple. It reads, number 1, identify any 3 uses of electricity to man. Identify any 3 uses of electricity to man. When we say identify, we are saying that you give the 3 uses, any 3 uses of electricity to man. 1, 2, 3, fill the dashes. Number 2, they are telling us that we list down any 6 items that use electricity. This can be both at home or even at school. So give or list down any 6 items that use electricity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You fill in those dashes and you bring the work for marking in the next lesson. Thank you so much. I wish you well.